Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Deepbrain chain coin. Now this coin here is listed on CoinMarketCap. It was in the top gainer section today. Right now it is up 38.45%. It's doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So their official webpage is listed on CoinMarketCap here. It is dbc.team. And it actually makes you verify that you are not a robot before going into the page here, which is not a lot of crypto pages do that. They also have a full white paper available. It is a 32-page white paper, so it is not, the smallest white paper ever. Now, their Block Explorer is listed on CoinMarketCap. They have a full CertiK audit that you could check out, so that's great. They have a Bitcoin talk, Twitter. They have a Telegram listed on here, price chart. All that is available on CoinMarketCap. Now, where can you get this token here? So you can get it off a few different exchanges. You can get it off Huobi Global. You can get it off Gate.io, or you can get it off BitBNS. So on Gate and Huobi Global, it is paired with Bitcoin and USDT, and Ethereum too as well on Gate, and on BitBNS it's paired with INR. So those are all a bunch of different ways you can get this this coin here. So obviously this runs on its own chain. It is a blockchain, and you can see that right in the name, Deepbrain Chain. So Deepbrain Chain was founded in November 2017 with the vision of building an infinitely scalable, distributed, high-performance computing network based on blockchain technology, and to become the most important infrastructure in the 5G and AI era. Humanity is moving into an age of intelligence, and artificial intelligence has been integrated into every aspect of people's lives. The artificial intelligence Trioka, I don't know what the heck that means, but it says deep models, big data, internet sensors, and IoT, and high-performance computing, GPUs, FPGAs, and special chips. Individual deep models have been increasing demand for computing power, image recognition, 1 to 10 GPUs, AlphaFold 2, 100 to 200 GPUs, BERT model, 1,000 GPUs, OpenAI, 175 billion parameters, training once consumers millions of dollars, multi-modal, large-scale pre-training models, 2,000 GPUs, Beijing Academy of Artificial Intelligence. The artificial intelligence race is the computing power race, solving the problem of computing power supply and demand for rewarding computing networks through blockchain technology to achieve cost reduction and efficiency improvement of artificial intelligence computing power worldwide. Promote the popularization and democratization of AI computing power and accelerate the arrival of the era of artificial intelligence. So in a nutshell, that's what this project, this blockchain, this coin, that's what this is all about. So Deepbrain Chain's vision is to build the infrastructure for the 5G and AIoT era, which is aimed at providing all industries with low-cost, private, and secure high-performance computing power. Deepbrain Chain's mission is to accelerate the advancement of artificial intelligence in an era that is undergoing an explosion of smart devices, the data they acquire, and their computational needs. Number 1, Deepbrain chain allows the artificial intelligence neural network operation to be decentralized and distributed over the mass nodes of the world through blockchain technology. Thus, the cost can be just 30% of the user's self-built neural network server and less than 50% of the traditional artificial intelligence centralization cloud computing platform. Number 2, through smart contracts, data providers and data training parties will be physically separated, protecting data privacy. This successfully resolves the trust issue that often prevents data providers from willing to share the proprietary data for training, which is essential for developing artificial intelligence products. Number 3, the last one, using the DBC token. They call it a token. I mean, people always correct me because it's their own block. It's a blockchain, so they say it's a coin, not a token. But all the time, these pages, even the projects themselves, call it a token and not a coin. So you can't be sticklers about it. Using the DBC token as the universal currency of the platform, Deepbrain chain maximizes participation from various AI players in the ecosystem all around the world, including developers, universities, computing power providers, SMEs, financial institutions, and data providers, etc. So on their white paper, if you want to check it out, like I said, it's pretty lengthy. It's 32 pages. They go over the problems of artificial intelligence enterprises. Then they go over the brief description of Deepbrain chain. We pretty much already did that. Design thinking of Deepbrain chain, solutions of the Deepbrain chain. They go over the platform based on the Polkadot substrate, the architecture. They have all sorts of graphs and formulas and all the fancy stuff, if you're into that. Deepbrain chain mining and privacy protection. A lot about, data privacy protection on this page here. And very extensive. And then the token. So token allocation is split up between 15% early sales, 25% Deepbrain chain foundation and ecosystem, 10% team, 10% rewards for miners, 40% produced from mining. And then they have a roadmap on here, milestones, and it's super lengthy. Like the roadmap is probably almost 10 pages long or more. Very extensive. They go over fund usage on their white paper here. A lot of info. And then their investors, all this type of stuff on here. So check it all out. Deepbrainchain.org is where you can find it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this coin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.